Everyone, myself Kanakaraju Veldi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology. Welcome to WITS Connect. In earlier class, already we discussed design of machine elements subject. In this one, chapter 1 is divided two parts. One is introduction and another one is bolts, nuts and screws. Okay, in this introduction already we know that already we discussed what are the topics are there, important topics. First of all, what is design? What is design? What are the uses of design? Okay, already we discussed. What is design? Design is a process of formulating a plan for achieving a product. If you want manufacturing any product, like this is one of the duster. Okay, in this duster there is some of the specifications are there, like length, width and thickness. Okay, first of all we design this product drawing with standard specifications are there. That is called design. After that, mechanical design and design and mechanical design is also same, but some of the difference is there. Why? Because the mechanical engineering design is involves the application of principles of science and technology. But in this design, it is involves the only dimensions, specifications, length, width, thickness, like that. But in mechanical engineering design involves length, thickness, width, these dimensions and science and technology. What are the strength? What are the strengths are occurred? What are the load occurred? This is called a mechanical engineering design. Okay. Next, coming to the, if you want to manufacture any machine, there are so many elements are there. Like if you take any lathe machine, in this lathe machine, tailstock, headstock, nuts, bolts, base, carriage, tool post, these all are some of the elements, important elements in lathe machine. Actually, what is the machine? What is machine? What are the machine application? Different application we are using different machines. Okay, like turning is one of the application. We are using only lathe. Drilling, then we are using drilling machine. Next shaping, we are using shaping machine and milling machine also. Different application we are using different machines. Actually, what is a machine? It is the transmit. It is to transmit and modify the available energy from the source. Like example, motor. Motor is transmit the power or modify the power. Electrical energy to converted into mechanical, electrical energy converted into mechanical energy. That is also one of the machine. And like a lathe machine is one of the machine. In this machine, electrical energy converted into mechanical energy. That is called a machine. Okay, in this design or mechanical design or mechanical engineering design or design, in this mechanical engineering design, depending upon some of the design factors. Like first one is load mechanism, selection of material, manufacturing process, shape, size and quantity, and effect of environment, durability and reliability, cost, life, safety. These are design factors. Like take any product. Okay, so for suppose this is a duster. In this duster if you want to design any duster, like first of all, what are the amount of load? Okay, we take what are the amount of load. Next, mechanism. If you take any shaper machine or any machine, there are some of the mechanisms are there. Quick determining mechanism. Like consider what are the mechanisms. Next, selection of material. Like different materials are there. Plastic, cast iron, aluminum, copper. These all are material types of materials. If you want to design any, manufacture any product, example duster, this is a wood. Why we are using the wood only? Wood cost is less. Okay, this is also one of the factor. And life also same. Next, safety, that's why we are taking wood. And next, durability and reliability. Okay, durability also high, reliability also high, that's why we take wood. Next, effect of environment. There is no effect of environment. Like plastic and any plastic, that is the environment. Okay, next, effect of environment is high. Next, compared to wood. Next, shape, size and quantity. Shape, size, quantity. What are the shape? Like if the duster is small compared to any wooden materials like stool or tables. Okay, that is a shape and size and quantity. Next, manufacturing processes. What are the manufacturing process? In this one, only this one, carpentry. We are using carpentry tools and carpentry section. Okay, in this carpentry section there are there are types of manufacturing process are there, like planing and cutting. These are manufacturing process. What are the manufacturing process are there? Next, selection of material. Already we know that. What are the selection of materials depending upon our durability and cost, life. Okay, this is the selection of materials. Okay, in our design is depending upon design factors. Okay, next, coming to the selection of materials. Selection of materials is depending upon some of the considerations, like first one is suitability of material for service and conditions. What are the services of the product? What are the conditions? It is depending upon suitable of material for service and conditions or condition. Next, second one, size and shape of the part. Like this is one of the part. In this part, what is size? What are the length and width, thickness? Okay, this is a second one. Condition of loading which the part is subjected. What are the load occurred? Like there are so many, like some of the important loads like point load, centrifugal, distributed load. This is all the some of the loads, types of loads. Condition of loading to which the part is subjected. Next, manufacturing requirement. What is our requirement? Okay, duster. In this duster there are two parts. One is a cloth, another one is a wood. Okay, in this one, this is one of the part. What is this manufacturing requirement? What are the requirements? Manufacturing process requirements. Like what are the machines we are using? Next, availability of material. Availability of material. If you like gold is one of the material. In this gold there are ఎక్కడ కూడా మనకు గోల్డ్ అనేది మనకు ఎక్కడ అన్ని ప్లేస్లలో ఉండకపోవచ్చు. అండ్ లైక్ ఎనీ మెటీరియల్ ఐరన్ ఆర్ ఎనీ మెటీరియల్ లైక్ ప్లాస్టిక్, ఇఫ్ ఎనీ మెటీరియల్, ఓకే, ద అవైలబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ మెటీరియల్. నెక్స్ట్, కాస్ట్ కంపేర్ టు వుడ్ ఆర్ ఐరన్ like gold, aluminum compared to copper, there is difference. Different cost are there. Like example, if you take copper compared to iron, copper cost is high and iron cost is low. That is a cost. Okay, next our topic is engineering materials. What are the materials we are using? What are the types of materials? Okay, in this types of material, engineering materials divided metals, non-metals. What is non-metals? What is metals? In these metals are divided two types: ferrous metals, non-ferrous metals, and alloys. Okay, and non-metals like wood is a non-metal, and plastic is a non-metal. But metals, example like iron, non-ferrous metals, non-ferrous metal. What is non-ferrous metal? Contain iron particles. Example, steel is a ferrous metal. Okay, iron is a ferrous metal. It contains iron particles. Next, non-ferrous metals and alloys. In this non-ferrous metal there is no iron particles. That is called non-ferrous metals and alloys. Like example, copper is a non-ferrous metal. It is in this one it not contain iron particles. Next, ferrous metals contain iron. Okay, in this ferrous metal divided like so many materials are there, but important to like wrought iron, steels, cast iron. These three are more important ferrous metals. Okay, in these three materials contain iron. Okay, this is a engineering materials. Next topic, design stress. What is design stress? Working stress, factor of safety. Okay, design stress is the stress value which is used to mathematical calculations of the required size of the machine member or element. Okay, if you want design any product, what are the stresses are there? Like design stress is stress value which is used to mathematical calculation. It is used to mathematical calculation only of the any machine element. Next, working stress. The working stress load per unit area of cross section of the part given the working stress. Okay, load per unit. If you want to apply the load, what are the area of the load? That is called that stress is called working stress. Okay, next, using these stresses, factor of safety. What is factor of safety? Factor of safety, it is the ratio of the ultimate stress to the design stress. That is factor of safety is denoted by Fx, or Fx is equal to ultimate stress by design stress. Ultimate stress, if any stresses like what are the stresses are there, like any stress like shear stress by design stress, like this is called factor of safety. And coming to the simple stresses, like already we know that in our SOM subject, tensile stress and compression stress. What is tensile stress? Ratio of the load and area, load to the area. The tensile stress is denoted by sigma T. Sigma T is equal to load by area of cross section. Load is denoted W. W by area is denoted A. W by A. Next, compression stress. Compression stress is denoted by sigma C. This is also load by area of cross section. Load by area cross section. In this one, load, compression load, or in this one compression load, in the expansion load. That's why this is also W by area. This is a simple stresses and factor of safety. What is factor of safety? Factor of safety, it is the ratio of the ultimate stress to the design stress. Factor of safety is equal to ultimate stress by design stress. Okay, next, design stress. First of all, design stress, depending upon these design stress, our factor of safety is equal to ultimate stress by design stress. Okay, coming to the next, design procedure is a important topic in our design of machine elements subject. Okay, we go for the design of procedure. This is basic procedure. First, if you want to design any product, we follow these all those steps. Like this is an example of the product. In this product, there is one of the length, width, thickness. Using these specifications, we design this product overall view. Okay. First of all, recognition or state problem. Okay. What is our problem? What is our requirement? We go. What is the requirement? We recognize that requirement. Like a duster. In this duster, we are using one wood material. In this duster, there are two parts. One is a cloth. Another one is wood. First of all, we design this duster, each one part. After we go for the assemble. First of all, this is one of the recognition of the problem. Okay. Next, selection of mechanisms. What are the mechanisms are there? In this duster there is no mechanism, but we go for the any machine elements or any machines. There is different mechanisms are there. First, we select in this step. We select the mechanisms. What are the mechanisms are there? What are the requirements of mechanisms? Next, analysis. To analyze what are the mechanisms are these mechanisms and problem is suitable or not. We analyze these all those things. Next, coming to this selection of materials. In this selection of materials, in this duster there is a wooden material and cloth material, and we select the suitable materials. That is called selection of materials. Different materials, different applications are there, strengths are there. Okay, and different costs are there. Using these all those things, we select the materials. That is one of the step, selection of materials. Next, go for the calculate size. Okay, this is one duster. In this duster there is some of the standard size is there. Using these materials and analysis and selection of mechanisms, we go for the calculate of the size. Calculate of the size. In this duster only, if you see any duster, there is only one standard dimensions are there. Okay, that is calculate size. Next, go for the modify design. If you want to modify the design, we consider some of the steps. Like experience. Okay, already we are using this duster. This is one of the experience. Okay, that's why using depending upon our experience to modify that product. Next, standards. What are the standards are there? If you see any duster, there is only one dimensions are there, same dimension. That is one of the standards. Like already we are seeing in our machine drawing. In our machine drawing, there is bolts, nuts. There is only same standards are there. Like depth, like pitch, screws, pitch, or bolts diameter 2D, outer diameter 2D. These all are standards. Next, using standards, we go for the modify of the design. Next, functional requirement. What are the functional requirements? What are the functions of the product? What are the functions of the element? Next, assemble requirement. If you assemble, there are two materials and two parts. We assemble these two parts. After that is one of the machine or element. That is called assemble requirements. In this assemble requirements, what are the requirements are there? If you want to assemble any lot of parts, we require the requirement. Our requirements are limits, tolerances, fits, and these are the things requirement, assemble requirements. Next, go for the cost. Okay, different materials, different different materials and the different manufacturing process are different costs are there. These costs are different depending upon materials, machining processes, like that. Using these all those things, we modify the design in this step. Next, go for the make final drawing. After, go for the final drawing. Using these all those steps, after that make go final drawing. This is a basic design procedure. After, go for the manufacturing process. Okay, first of all, see design, basic design procedure. In this one, recognition of problem, that is called state problem. Next, selection of material, and in this one we select the mechanism, selection of material mechanism. Next, analysis. Next, selection of materials, calculate size. Next, go for the modified design. In this one we experience, standards, functional requirements, assemble requirements, cost. We consider these all those things. Next, go for the final drawing. After that, we go for this is manufacturing process. Like in this manufacturing process, there are so many processes are there, so many missions are there. Like after that, we go for the final product. Okay, this is a basic design procedure.